In this vlog, we're gonna take you around Tokyo and we wanna show you the places to eat. So let's go. Hey everyone, my name's Cheno.
And I'm Alex.
And welcome to Cheno and Alex.
So we're currently here at Gindaco Highball Sakaba in Shinjuku, and we've been walking around for a little bit and we spotted the takoyaki from outside the door. So we thought we'd give it a try. So currently we have 8 takoyakis. It's my favorite. I love takoyakis. Anytime I'm in a Japanese restaurant, I would get takoyaki. We also have yakisoba. So I think there's chicken, and then lastly we have karage. So that's chicken as well. Let's eat.
Yeah guys, I can't use chopsticks to save my life. So this is the only fork they have here. Good enough for me. I mean, you just gotta like poke it, right?
First try.
Good? Hot? No? Okay.
Alright, so I've already tried one, but I need to get this on camera. It's so good. Really authentic. So it's right there.
I wanna try. Let me eat.
Oishi. Alright, try the yakisoba.
That is so yummy. Let me get straight to this.
It's so good.
Every time I eat, I'm kind of speechless. If you saw our first vlog or our second vlog, where we had where we had Ichara ramen. Huh?
Ichiran.
If you saw our second vlog where we had Ichiran ramen, I just couldn't say anything. Like, it was hands down the best ramen I've had, and honestly the flavors here in Japan, top notch. Then again, I'm not a very picky eater. I just enjoy food in general.
So we just finished with the food. How was it for you?
Super tasty, you guys.
I think the restaurant is more for like snacks, because they mainly have takoyaki in there, so that's pretty good for us.
Yeah, that's
tonight.
their main dish.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of options, I guess.
Yeah.
But we did also get karage, which is chicken. But yeah, chicken is chicken. Deep fried chicken it's always good for me, so I really like that.
There's actually a lot of food here in Shinjuku. Like there's so much food places.
Oh yeah, there's like,
But
how would you say? There's like
almost overwhelming. Like,
yeah,
there's
like
just
streets
everywhere.
and rows and columns of places to eat,
Yeah.
things to do here in Shinjuku.
So right now it's day 2 in Tokyo and we're here at Ginza. We are hungry. It's about 12 p.m. now. Let's go to Sapporo Beer Hall for lunch.
This place looks incredible,
Oh my gosh, look at the leaves.
Look at that. Wow.
It's definitely autumn in here.
So we've got our table. We're just gonna look at the menu first, and then we'll show you what we're gonna have for lunch.
So just by reading the menu, I can really tell there's a lot of variety here. So they've got sausages, steaks, and beer, which I think Cheno will get.
Yeah, I think I will.
We'll
For
order
lunch.
very soon. Okay, let's order now. Rice, potato. Rice? Our orders have arrived. We ordered pork cutlet sandwich. It just looks so good on the menu. I really need to try it. And then it's our first time trying fried oysters. And then we have steak. Kind of craving for steak right now, so we ordered that one. And they just gave us a complimentary bread as well. So yeah, we've got rice, like always, and let's eat.
Let's eat. Okay, so I'm gonna try the steak first. Yo, like, look at that. Ooh.
Get the sauce.
Oof. Oh yeah. So we'll drizzle a little sauce on top. What sauce is this, by the way? Bon appetit.
It's good.
Very tasty, and that sauce. That's so well cooked. Like, it's not chewy. It's just the right amount of softness. That fat is so good. That fat adds so much flavor. Alex's turn to try one of these dishes.
Yeah.
Sandwich? Okay.
Yeah. This is the pork cutlet. Let's get it.
Oh, pork's inside there. Yum. I want to try that.
Oh my gosh,
too.
that sauce is so good. It's the usual, I guess, Japanese katsu sauce,
Okay.
but it's so soft, and the bread is just toasted well.
Yeah.
So good.
I think it's some sort of. It's not tartare, is it? So these are the oysters. I'll cut it a little bit.
That's a big oyster.
Yeah, deep fried oyster.
It's good. Acquired taste.
I normally don't eat seafood, but I guess if it's deep fried, then I'll eat it. It's actually quite tasty. All right, let me feed one to Alex right now. There's no sauce on that one. Not bad, huh?
It's not like, you know how oyster has acquired taste?
Yeah.
It's not that strong.
Nah. Because it's deep fried.
And the deep fry is really good, actually. So I just drizzled the lemon on the oysters, and it's so much better because it's so fresh with the lemon, and the sauce is so good too. I'm actually obsessed with these oysters. I might finish them myself.
Oh shoot! Wait. All right, I'm gonna stop
They're
recording.
really good.
We're gonna continue eating, and we'll let you know how our lunch was.
So we just finished eating, and I'm actually
Yeah.
pretty full. How about you?
Yeah, very full.
We paid about 5,600 yen, which is
Around 60 Australian dollars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that was actually really nice. The ambience is really good. I love how the autumn leaves are in there.
Yeah, it's amazing in there. Like
Yeah.
the interiors, the autumn leaves, and then on the back wall, there's
Yeah.
like, is it like some sort of tile
Tiles.
artwork? Or
Yeah, that was really
it was
good.
so intricate. It felt very high end eating in there, but obviously the food was great. For three main meals, hey.
3 main meals, yeah.
Got us pretty full,
Yeah.
and they were cooked really well. The food actually came so quickly after we ordered.
But yeah, so we highly recommend coming to Sapporo Beer Hall if you're ever in Ginza.
Yeah.
And try it yourself.
So anyway, we'll see you in the next restaurant or food place that we're gonna eat at.
So we're here at Toyosu in Tokyo, and we just finished with Team Lab Planets, which you will see in our third day here
Yeah.
in Japan vlog.
It's a separate vlog and it's super cool. You gotta check it out.
And right now we're here at Yoshinoya? No, Yoshinoya.
Yoshinoya. So a couple of people actually suggested this
Recommended.
place. One of them was your mom.
Yeah,
So I
my
was like-
mom's been here before, so
Yeah.
she's tried that before. Told me to come and try it this time.
Yeah, so I was like, yeah, we gotta try it. So it's right there. This is our next stop for the food vlog. Alright, you guys, so we've got ourselves a couple of seats. I was actually over in that end, I was like, let's just wait so we can sit next to each other. It's very similar to Ichiran, where you have your dedicated seating spots. Alex is now looking through the menu.
So I got a lot of sets and beef bowls and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So I guess you just pick your order and then they'll deliver your food,
Oh, cool.
and then once you're done, you pay at the end.
Alright, so we'll order and then we'll show you once we got it. I literally just got out of the toilet and 1 minute later, food's here.
So I got beef kalbi and miso soup, and guess how much it is? It's only 753 yen, which is about $9, $8?
$9?
Yeah,
Australian dollars.
Australian. It's so cheap, and it's a whole bowl.
Oh my goodness.
So I got the curry and just the soup. The curry is so rich. It's beautiful.
Perfect timing. My food just arrived, and so I ordered a beef rib bowl, I think it was, and then I got a soup along with it. So that's awesome. I think I got fried chicken as well. Should be coming soon. But yo, so hungry. We haven't had brekkie today, and it's already like 1 o'clock. So what I got? So yummy. Super tasty. Again, I'm not a picky eater. I love this. It's so tasty. I got myself karage as well, just for some extra meat, like chicken. So let's eat. So we just got done eating at Yoshinoya restaurant, and I think for me it was actually really good. I feel like it's a bang for buck fast food kind of place, where it's quite affordable, but it still tastes really nice.
We didn't pay that expensive.
Yeah, it was 1,759 yen.
For two of us, and I'm actually pretty full.
Yeah.
So they serve the food really quick, so I feel like it's a fast food, but it's healthy and it's really filling, so that's good.
So if you want cheap eats but still yummy and filling, head over to Yoshinoya. Alright you guys, so we're in our next restaurant. It's called Cafe Restaurant Gusto here in Shibuya. It's sort of like in the alleyways and stuff, so you're gonna have to find it maybe on Google Maps. We're actually joined with our good friends. We've got Zoe and Zar. Once again, we've met up, but this time we're in a whole different country, so super awesome to be with them. Yes, that's the plan. So we'll show you our food once it's here. Maybe we'll show you theirs as well, and we'll see if we like it here.
So generally you just have the iPad as well and pick your menu and then just send the order, and then at the end you just have to pay at the counter. So I feel like that's a common thing here in Japan for, I guess, fast food?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna go and wait for the food and show you when it's ready.
Unfortunately, the robot didn't bring our food. It was just a normal human, so that's okay. So I've got grilled eel, double, because I'm hungry as. And what did you get, Lex?
Got karage.
Oh yeah.
Something like that.
Just fried chicken, pretty much.
Miso soup.
Same. I got miso soup as well. And and with the drinks you got, what is it? Matcha?
Matcha.
So Zara actually got the same as Alex's.
Got some karage.
So nice. Yeah, the fried chicken is good. What'd you get, Zoe?
I'm not really sure, but it's nice. It's like chicken with like some tomato garlicky sauce.
Yeah.
It's good.
Alright, so let's eat and we'll let you know.
Trying eel for the first time.
Yeah, I wanted to try something different this time because we always eat what we kind of know already.
And they're like really famous for that.
Yeah, it's like fish. Damn, that's good.
Really good, like salmon.
Maybe because it's
even
sauce,
better.
but salmon's different. Salmon's really good. Not slimy.
The robot.
It's pretty much just like fish. I like this a lot.
Yeah, like we think.
Alright, so we finished with the food, and I actually really liked that. And it was pretty good price as well.
How's your karage?
It was so crispy and tender. It was really nice.
Yeah, I love the eel.
That's the first time you tried it.
Yeah, it was kind of like fish.
Yeah.
Pretty much, but it was so tasty. I think the sauce was really good too.
Yeah.
There was so much in the menu that I wish we could order more. But hey, maybe we'll try it again when we go to. Is it like a fast food chain?
I'm not sure.
It could be.
I don't think it is.
No?
Yeah.
I don't know. We don't know.
were just trying to find a place to eat with
Yeah.
Zoe inside. We found that place, so we're like,
Yeah.
why not give it a try?
That was perfect. Plenty of options. Give it a look.
Alright, so we're actually here at Shinagawa in Tokyo. We're having a quick stop here at Spice Factory just to have food before we go on the bullet train. So right now we got curry. So we love our curry. We just got a chicken cutlet. Well, I got a chicken cutlet curry and I just got chai drink. And you got the same, roughly?
Yeah, got roughly the same.
Yum. There's so much rice. But I need to refuel, so that's good.
Alright, let's give it a taste. Got a bit of pickles. Get a lot of curry sauce. Okay, with the chicken. There you go. Or maybe I'm hungry, but nah, it's good. It's so good. One thing that I should have done was added the extra chicken cutlets that I was gonna order, because I accidentally pressed it, thinking I had to choose the chicken after, but there was already chicken. So I was like, oh, let me delete that. But there's a lot of rice.
So we finished with lunch.
Yeah.
Well, we literally don't have breakfast anymore. We just eat lunch. And I'm so full. There was so much rice.
Yeah, that one had a huge serving. I mean, I did choose. He just said hello with the camera, the guy. Yeah, so my serving was huge, and I actually ordered another chicken, which was really good.
Did you finish it?
Yeah, I'm so full.
Oh my god.
Yeah, like the plate is literally
Yeah.
spick and speck. It's clean.
That's good. But yeah, so there's actually a lot of similar food places like this one all over Shinagawa station. So you
Yeah.
can just pick which one you like, and
Yeah,
it's
that's right.
literally everywhere. Just because it's a station.
It's pretty much like a hub, because this is
Yeah.
where you can catch a bullet train, trains to back to the city and
Yeah.
whatnot. Yeah, there's a ton of food options, but today we chose Spice Factory.